There is a dirty secret in the world of professional workspaces that no one wants to talk about. You can buy the fastest Mac Studio, the most expensive MacBook Pro, and the most ergonomic desk in the world, but if the window you are looking through is flawed, your work is flawed. For years, the original Studio display sat in a strange middle ground. It was beautiful, yes, but it felt like a relic of 2019 technology trapped in a 2022 body. We accepted the 60 Hz refresh rate. We tolerated the webcam. We looked past the lack of local dimming. But in 2026, the grace period is over. Apple has just redefined what a Pro monitor actually is. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. This is the Studio Display 2. And it is about to make your current monitor look like a CRT television from the 90s. If you are a creative professional in New York, a developer in Silicon Valley, or a filmmaker in Atlanta, you need to stop what you are doing and listen. Because the Studio Display 2 isn't just an evolutionary step. It is a fundamental shift in how Apple treats the desktop experience. They realized that with the power of M5 chips, our computers are capable of things our monitors can't even display. The bottleneck is finally being broken. Let's start with the elephant in the room. Promotion. For 3 years, we have been asking the same question. Why does a $1,000 iPhone have a smoother screen than a $1,600 professional monitor? Apple has finally answered. The Studio Display 2 features a 120 Hz promotion panel. But this isn't just about smooth scrolling. This is about Adaptive Sync 2.0. It communicates with your Mac at a level of precision that eliminates every microstutter, every frame drop, and every ghosting artifact. When you move a window across this 5K canvas, it doesn't feel like software moving pixels. It feels like physical matter moving through space. It is so fluid that once you use it for an hour, looking at a standard 60 Hz monitor will literally give you a headache. But the refresh rate is only half the story. The real magic, the illegal part of this upgrade, is the transition to Tandem OLED technology. Apple took the breakthrough from the iPad Pro and scaled it up to a 27-inch desktop powerhouse. This means we finally have true blacks. We are talking about a contrast ratio that is effectively infinite. When you're editing a night scene in Final Cut Pro, the black bars of the UI disappear into the bezel. You aren't looking at grayish black anymore. You are looking at a void. And the brightness, it has surged to 1,200 nits of sustained full-screen brightness, with peaks of 1,600 nits for HDR content. This is a monitor that can compete with the sun shining through your office window. Think about the implications for your workflow. Up until now, if you wanted true HDR reference quality, you had to spend $5,000 on the Pro Display XDR. The Studio Display 2 just brought that XDR level of performance down to the mainstream professional price point. It's effectively a Pro Display XDR Mini, and it's going to cannibalize the high-end market. Now, let's talk about the brain inside the glass. Most monitors are dumb bricks. The Studio Display 2 has an A16 Bionic chip dedicated solely to image processing and audio. Why? Because Apple Intelligence has moved into the monitor. This screen now features neural upscaling.